Hi and welcome to the Excited Wanderer channel. So I decided to have a little fun and looked at the strangest laws that exist in Japan even today. While some are pretty funny, others just make you wanna scratch your head and go, huh? After watching this video, let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. It's illegal to clone yourself.
紹介しますね。こちらが16番目の私です。どうも。あなたも私のコスプレしてるじゃないですか。
Now it would be cool to have a clone, don't you think? You'd have an extra pair of hands to get things done, and you can finally be in two places at the same time. Unfortunately, cloning experiments are illegal in Japan, and you could spend either 10 years in prison or fine up to 10 million yen or both. So I guess we can only leave the cloning to anime right now. Putting ice cream in a mailbox is an offense. Even in the worst case scenario, this just sounds like an annoying but rather harmless prank. In Japan, if you did that, you could face up to 5 years jail time or fine up to 500,000 yen. The law actually doesn't allow anyone to damage mail in any way, not just with ice cream. So the next time you think it's funny to mess with someone's mail, you might want to think again. Drivers aren't allowed to splash rainwater on pedestrians. It's raining, right? So you're trying to walk back home as fast as you can, and the next thing you know, some idiot drives on a puddle and gets you wet from head to toe. This isn't acceptable in Japan, and drivers can be fined up to 7,000 yen for splashing someone with muddy water. The law requires cars to install mud flaps and drive slower when it rains to ensure the safety of pedestrians. So the next time you get splashed, make sure to snap a pic of the car's plates and then make them pay. The government checks your waistline. There's a law that states the government will monitor your waistline when you're between the ages of 40 to 74 years old. This is a measure to ensure that the population stays healthy, but it is also to prevent having to bear huge medical costs from having to treat people who are obese and the diseases that often come with it. The only loophole around this is to become a sumo wrestler, because then you'd have an actual need to be huge. Visiting Antarctica. In most cases, Japanese people don't need to tell their government where they're going for a holiday, unless of course they're planning on going to Antarctica. See, this is due to the Antarctica Treaty, which is signed by Japan and 11 other countries like Australia, France, the UK, and the US, as a pledge to protect Antarctica from environmental harm. So if you plan on visiting anyway, you'll need to submit a form and get approval from the Ministry of Environment. Otherwise, you'll be stopped at customs and possibly even fined 500,000 yen. And that's all that I have for you today. What did you think of these strange laws? Does your country have them? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more videos coming your way. And I'll see you in the next episode.